Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Honorable Susan Gwangwe MP, Minister of Trade and Industry. Honorable Simplex Chichola Banda MP, Minister of Finance and Economic Affairs, all the Cabinet and Deputy Ministers here present, Ms. Colleen Zamba, Secretary of the President and Cabinet, and all the government officials here present, Ms. Miriam Ferran, Deputy Director General for International Partnerships of the European Union, Your Excellency Rune Skinnebach, Ambassador of the Delegation of the European Union to Malawi, Your Excellency Dr. Nancy Zomwe, Ambassador of the Republic of Zimbabwe to Malawi and Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Your Excellencies, heads of mission and international organizations here present, Honorable Patrick Zebulon Chilondola, Regional Chairman of the Malawi Congress Party, for the Center and all members of the Regional Committee here present, Honorable Alfred Gia, Member of Parliament for the Lilongwe City Center constituency, and all members of Parliament here present, Councillor Ruth Chingwalu, Deputy Mayor of the City of Lilongwe, and all the councillors here present, all the traditional leaders here present, Reverend Richard Kapanda, officiating clergy, and all the religious leaders here present, distinguished delegates to the Malawi European Union Investment Forum, our ambassadors to EU and EU countries that have come home, all the exhibitors, both local and international, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is the first ever Malawi EU Investment Forum, but it is not the first time we are coming together to promote investment. And indeed, this will not be the last time we come together to promote investment. We are at a critical stage in the socioeconomic development of Malawi, and what Malawi needs more than anything is the grace of God in many forms. And one of those forms is the favor and goodwill of nations who are willing to invest in Malawi to drive the kind of private sector growth that achieves wealth creation, job creation, and food security. So I must thank you all who have come traveling all the way from Europe and other parts of the world, actually, to be here in demonstration of your goodwill towards Malawi and your eagerness to invest in Malawi's potential. Now, I'm very confident that your visit will be not be a mere act of window shopping, because I know that once you have seen the investment opportunities here, you will invest. You will invest because Malawi has the potential for exponential private sector-led growth in various sectors, such as agriculture, tourism, and mining, sectors that are at the heart of the ATM strategy. You will invest because Malawi has the kind of political stability and political will that is sustained by public institutions that guarantee the safety of assets, proceeds, and personnel related to your investment. You will invest because Malawi is geographically and diplomatically in a strategic position to serve as a link and a hub for expanding and consolidating the reach of your investment to the countries that are connected to us. You will invest because the enduring partnership between Malawi and the EU on the basis of shared values and interests that emanate from a rules-based international system of trade is making Malawi's economy the most fertile ground for delivering huge returns on investment. And you will invest because of reforms we have implemented to improve Malawi's regulatory framework, such as the electronic tax administration system, modernized business registration system, modernized business registration or land administration management information system, one-stop border control system, and all serve as signals that Malawi is open for business. We are open for business in agriculture, where we are in hot pursuit of investors in our Mega Farms initiative for the production and processing of high-quality crops such as tea, tobacco, coffee, wheat, soybeans, groundnuts, and hemp. We are open for business in tourism, where we seek investors to develop and market products and services that will attract the world to come and enjoy Malawi's stunning lakes, mountains, rivers, wildlife, as well as Malawi's culture, cuisine, and art. And I am particularly excited to announce that I have just signed the National Arts and Heritage Act into law to enhance our creative industries as a major feature in our tourism master plan. We are open for business in mining, where we welcome investments to unleash the full potential of our country in the commercialization and monetization of our large rutile, bauxite, gemstone, and gold deposits, just to name a few. And we are open for business in energy, as we seek to supercharge the ATM strategy with investments in clean and green energy power plants and mini-grids that will electrify the country and turn its millions of unconnected homes into a lucrative source of revenue for those who invest in lighting up Malawi. And in all these areas of investment and business, we cannot think of a better partner than the European Union, because the EU has always had a posture toward us that is respectful and focused on making progress in areas of common interest, rather than wasting valuable time and energy on bickering over areas of permissible differences. In all these areas of investment and business, we cannot think of a better partner than the European Union, because the EU is putting money where its mouth is by not merely supporting programs and organizations that entrench dependency and cannot be sustained, but also supporting the creation of a conducive environment for sustainable development and economic activity. The EU is doing this through investments in critical infrastructure, like the rehabilitation of the M1 road, the strengthening of government through direct budgetary support that is directly helping us build strong institutions, and the deepening of ties of cooperation through the signing of various agreements like the kind we just witnessed today. For all these ways you are choosing to be in business with Malawi, I say thank you. And with these remarks, it is my humble duty to declare this inaugural Malawi EU Investment Forum officially open. God bless you, and God bless Malawi.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for that powerful message you've had for us here at the Malawi EU Investment Forum 2024. That Malawi is open for investment, encouraging the investors here in Malawi and out there to please come and invest here in Malawi. So in a moment, we're going to have a group photograph. So let me begin by inviting those who are going to be part of this photograph. As I begin with Honorable Sosten Gwengwe. We also have Ms. Mariam Ferran, who is the Deputy Director General for International Partnerships, European Commission. Let me also invite Honorable Simplex Chichola. May you please come forward. Ms. Colleen Zamba. His Excellency Mr. Rune Skinberg, EU Ambassador to Malawi. May you please join this photograph. Honorable Ibrahim Matola. Honorable Vera Kamtukule. Dr. Naomi Ngwera. Her Excellency Uta Koni, German Ambassador to Malawi. Her Excellency Ms. Kate Brande, Irish Ambassador to Malawi. His Excellency Mr. Pavel Poshak, Ambassador of Czechia, resident in Zambia. Her Excellency Ms. Natividad Isabel Pena Bonilla, Ambassador of Spain, resident in Zimbabwe. Let me also invite His Excellency Mr. David Martino, Ambassador of France, resident in South Africa. His Excellency High Excellency Dr. Margaret Verish, Ambassador of Netherlands, resident in Zimbabwe. We have His Excellency Mr. Per Lingard, Ambassador to Sweden, resident in Zimbabwe. Mr. Lejean van Stenberg, Flanders diplomat representative in Malawi. Let me also invite Engineer Alfonso Chikuni, Chancellor Simwaka, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Malawi, Honorable Nancy Tembo, may you please join this photograph. Minister of Mining, may you please also join this photograph. Madam Honorable Monica Changana Muno, Chancellor Simwaka, Paul Kwengwere, Ambassador of Finland, are we ready there? PS Trade and PS Agriculture, Principal Secretary for Agriculture and Principal Secretary for Trade. May you please come forward and join this photograph. It is my honor and duty, Your Excellency, to invite you and join this group photograph, Your Excellency.
Tsopano President wa dziko lino Dr. Lazarus Chakwera akupita kutsogolo kumene akukatoletsa zithunzi ndi akuluakulu amene atchula kuti akakhale nawo pa chithunzi pamenepo. Ena mwa iwo ndi akazembe oyimira iko osiyanasiyana amene ali m'bungwe la European Union, komanso mabungwe aja ona za malonda osiyanasiyana amene achokera kunja m'bungwe la European Union amene akhale nawo pa msonkhano umene ukuchitikira ku BICC kuyambira lero mpaka lachinayi. Amenewa ndi mabungwe monga Global Gateway Energy Initiative, komanso mabungwe ngati Team Europe Economic Governance Initiative. Amenewa akuyimira mabungwe amene achokera kunja, komanso ena amene achokera ku Malawi monga ngati alembe akulu ochokera m'maunduna osiyanasiyana, komanso nduna zosiyanasiyana makamaka za magawo aja amene tatchula kuti akutengapo mbali pa msonkhano umenewu, monga ngati amene amaona za ulimi, komanso za mphamvu ya magetsi, komanso za mafakitale ndi zokopa alendo, ndi amene atenga nawo ndithu zithunzi zimenezi ndi president wa dziko lino.
Ceremony of the Malawi European Union EU Investment Forum 2024. It was really an awesome time that we have had, and thank you very much for your time that you came here to have this opening ceremony. Thank you so much from our hearts to you. We say thank you, and we are so proud of you as you continue so committed in ensuring that Malawi is put at the right place for investment, both local and international. At this juncture, Your Excellency, let me invite you to stand and lead us into our national anthem.
mtundu wathu yoyimbidwa ndi Malawi Police Brass Band ndi mmene tuwayendera mwambo kuno ku Bingu International Convention Center mu mzinda wa Lilongwe. President wa dziko lino Dr. Lazarus Chakwera watsegulira msonkhano wa bungwe la European Union ndi dziko la Malawi kukambirana nkhani za malonda ndi kukhazikitsa makampani akunja mdziko muno. Msonkhano uyamba ndithu pamene president wa dziko lino watsegulira ayamba zokambirana lero lachiwiri pa 26 November ndipo msonkhano uzatha lachinayi pa 28 November 2024. nde pano ndili ndi mtolankhani wathu Isaac Jali. Isaac, watsatira bwinotu msonkhano mwambo otsegulira msonkhano umene wayendera, tangotiuza zina ndi zina zimene zachitika pa kutsegulira msonkhano umene.
Zonadi Zanga Khadija, tiyambire ponena kuti bungwe la EU, European Union, ndi bungwe limene lili ndi maiko ambiri, maiko oposa pafupi mwina 25, 26 kapena maiko 27 amene. Sopano maiko ambungwe limene amakhala ndi chinthu chothandiza maiko akunoko kwa Afrika. Dziko la Malawi ndi limodzi mwa maiko amene akupindula mpaka napano kudzera ntchito za chitukuko cha misewu, kudzera ntchito za mwina magetsi osagwiritsa kwenikweni madzi koma kugwiritsa ntchito njira zina amati renewable energy. So European Union salendo ku Malawi kuno ntchito zawo zimafikira mpaka ku madera akumidzi ndi zina zambiri. So apapa investment forum ndiyo kuti akambirani tipanga bwanji kuti tithandize dziko la Malawi kupititsa patsogolo ntchito monga za ulimi, kudzera zijapo mayambitsa kale za mega farms, kuti amanena ambassador ku European Union kuti kuli upangiri ku EU ukuthi akhoza kutenga ulimi wa ku Malawi kunokocha ndi kuthandiza pa zambiri kuti anthu azikolola zambiri, chakudya chokwanira, kulemba anthu ntchito anthu ambiri, komanso zatuwalizi ndi zinaso zokhuzana za
osayiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.